That view.
It's actually incredible. Can't believe that cloud.
What's up, beautiful people? It is a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Lake District. And we were meant to be either at a waterfall or at a stone circle already. But we've stopped on this road how many times?
About 4. We keep getting distracted by the view.
That view is just incredible. So we've had to stop quite a few times, but we need to get back in the car and get en route. We stopped again. We've made it about 1, maybe 2 miles further on. And to be fair, it is a beautiful view, but Hannah is clearly in a photography kind of mood today because she was like, please pull over.
I was like, stop!
But look at that. Giving those long exposures another go.
Yeah, I'm having a little go here.
Have a little go.
See what's occurring.
Happy?
Yeah.
Working? You happy?
Yeah. Finally!
We are at it again. What stop number is this, Han?
Maybe like 11 or 12.
Honestly, this place is just so photogenic. I don't know if we're even going to make it to the stone circle that we're meant to be going to today. We're on the road. It's just about a mile up here somewhere now, so we are nearly there.
Will we make it? Stay tuned.
Will we make it? We made it. Castlerigg Stone Circle. Is 5,000 years old?
Yeah, it's from 3000 BC.
And it's older than Stonehenge. And no one really knows what it was used for, right?
I find that so bizarre.
I think we looked on the English Heritage website and they said it could have been like a religious kind of place, could have been here for trading, but no one's really that sure.
No one knows.
So not really sure why it's here, but pretty cool nonetheless. And in a shock to no one, we've gone for Jan's Lakeland sandwich, number 4.
There is no.
There's loads of cranberry in that one. Do you have another bite? I've already had 2. I said that to her in the shop. I was like, this is my 4th time here. She said, oh, have you tried lots of the different sandwiches then? And I was like, no.
Just the turkey one every time.
Just the one.
That sunset was so good.
Loved that. That was actually my idea to go around the corner. You were like, oh, just wait in the car.
Basically, we got back and I was just going to drive back to the little cottage, but no, Hannah had to get out.
I was like on a mission again with the camera.
Yeah, she was right, and the sunset was very delicious. So
delicious.
Glad we did it. It's nice that the rain cleared up actually, because it was raining this afternoon, but on the way back we just saw the sky go pink. And then, and then we had that. Anyway, time to finish up for today. So, thank you so much for watching. Big love.
Feels good around here.
It feels good around here. Is it Neolithic?
It's Neolithic. It's Neolithic.